Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So we've got a piece of ash on the lathe that's a little bit wormy, but we're going to try and turn it into something a little bit wonderful. So we're starting off with the mid-size finisher here from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by getting it round and getting it to shape. I'd like to thank John over at Jigsy's Shed for donating this piece of wood. So be sure to go and follow John and click that subscribe button while you're over there and tell him that JP sent you. Doing a little bit of shaping now. Now we switch to the mid-size rougher.
Can you tell me if it's love we're making? Can't you feel the ground is shaking? Hey, I don't need another explanation.
And now we switch to the mid-size detailer, just so we can take that little nubbin off the bottom. Okay, now we're just going to mark out for the mortise in the bottom of the bowl. And now we're going to start with the mid-size detailer, define where it's going to go. Clear it all out with a number 1 hollower. Flatten everything off with a mid-size rougher. Undercutting the foot there, and back to the detailer so the insides of the mortise match the angles of the jaw. There you go. You can see a few cracks there. I was going to try and keep them, but I ended up filling them with some 03 adhesives. There will be a link down in the description if anyone fancies any of that. It's the black one that I used, but at the moment I'm doing a bit of sanding with some wing spore abrasives. Compressed air there. Clean out all the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol.
I just wanna be someone who matters.
Alright, so now we're going to be doing some hollowing. So obviously we're going to do it with the number 1 hollower, also known as a CI5 from Easy Wood Tools.
I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done and I'm ready to the ground.
By far my favourite tool from the Easy Wood Tools range, and as you can see by this video why it's my favourite. It's eating through that wood like it's a hot knife through butter.
Can't you see my heart is so
there's a mid-size finisher just to clean up any ridges that may have happened or may have got left over from the hollowing process. Just cleaning up some of that black 03 Adhesives glue there around the rim where them cracks were. Okay, so like I always say, I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand up to 400 grit with clean spore abrasives. There we go. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. And some Danish oil from Hampshire Sheen. There will also be links down in the description to this if anyone would like to get any.
Leather jacket, boot shades, and an automobile, like I saw you in a picture in a magazine. Sun and sup blazing hot down on the boulevard. Look like a movie star, but you're not even trying hard. On the road, going nowhere with the top down, while the rest of us are stuck here in our small towns. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. Still raining now.
There will be some pictures at the end, so I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like, and until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.